Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. In today's video I'll be showing you this smart camera which I got recently. It has audio, so that means that even if I'm not with my mom, I can stay at my house and speak from the app to her over the camera. It has a 360 rotation as well. All of that you can see in the app once you download it. And what else? Yes, and motion detection, night vision, etc, etc. So this is the box which it came in, and the name of it is VIZIUUY. Can't call it a VIZIUUY. I will leave the link to it in the description. So let us install this camera, guys, and check it out. There is it comes with a manual as well, so it's easy to install. You can create your family group as well, so that your family, wherever they are in the world, they can view what's happening wherever the camera is installed. It's not solar powered. You have to connect it it's electrically powered, so it's not solar powered. Yeah, and what I like most about this is the fact that you can it has the 360 rotation, and also the fact that I can speak over the app if like I'm away from my mom, so that she can hear me. So if I say like, "Mommy, look, you left something on the veranda," or "You left something outside," you know, I like that opportunity whereas I can remind her about things. But anyway, long and short of it, let's install this camera and check out the features. All right, if you want this camera, I'll leave the link to it in the description. Go and get it now. Let me know what you think.
Please power on the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Connecting, please wait a moment. Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Yeah, Heidi, something. Yes. Can you drop off, you know?
Are you seeing everything on the screen?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you're doing that.
I know mediocre. This is your sister. How are you? I'm calling all the way from Turks and Caicos. A pleasure to see you.
This is incredible, right? The smart camera. I just installed it and added you to the family group, so now you can see mommy.